What if you could build an entire project with AI without installing a single thing on your computer? No local setup, no configuration environments, and no jumping between tools. Today I'm testing MonkeyCode, an open source AI development platform that runs directly in your browser. And what makes it interesting is that MonkeyCode does not generate code and leave to you the rest. Every task gets its own cloud development environment where the AI can actually write code, compile the project, run tests, and give you a live preview. So instead of just asking AI, can you build this for me, and then spending an hour fixing everything yourself, the idea here is to let the AI handle much more of the actual development workflow. It also supports pretty wide range of model, including models from GLM, DeepSeek, GPT, and others. So you can switch between them depending on what you are trying to build. And there is also another interesting part. MonkeyCode is the open source, supports self-hosting, and lets you connect your own models. So today, rather than just going a list of features, I actually want to try the test. So I'm going to start with a project idea, give MonkeyCode the requirements, and see if it can take that idea from empty workspace to something fully functional. Let's see what happens. So let's start the video. So now let's start by giving it a real task. So this is my prompt. As you can see, build a SaaS landing page for AI website builder called Site AI, include hero section with headline, subtitle, and CTA, AI prompt box where users can describe a website, animated generated website preview, three Three feature cards, pricing section, responsive dark modern design, make the UI feel like a real premium SaaS product, not a template, make all buttons and interaction functionals, then run the test project. I will just send this prompt. Now you can see we have the task parameters here, which model we want to select. We have the basic model which is DeepSeek version 4 Flash. We also have pro models like DeepSeek, GLM, Grok 4.6. Then we have the ultra models like GPT 5.4, 5.5. We will go with the basic model. Then we will click on this run task button, and then we have the system image. Then we can just go with the default one, and then we will click on just run tasks. Now you can see it's currently pulling system image, and it will start working on our project now. Then we have a complete preview here. Once it's ready, we have the skills terminal and all of the and all of other options here. We can just publish it after it's done. So currently you can see it says development environment is getting ready, and this is our prompt. You can see we can give a follow-up prompt here. We can attach an image, or if we want to add some color references, then we can just cancel the task from here. Here we are seeing from how long this task has been doing it, and now we have the start task, add project option. So let's wait here. So now you can see our website is ready. So it took around 5 to 6 minutes to create our website from scratch. So there are total 9 steps. You can see these are the 9 steps breakdown how it built our website. And if I show you the preview, you can just click on this preview button to see it. Just click on this open button, and here is our site preview. Not just the website, it also built the, you can see the fav icon. If you say this is the site fav icon, and then we have the sign in, start building, pricing, features, and the review. And if we click on the review, we have the reviews here, testimonials here. If you see, then we have the footer, the social media links here. And if I see the overall website, you can say describe a website, watch it build yourself. We have the start building free button, and here we have a prompt box which we ask. Let me show you. So this was my prompt. Just give me a second to show you. You can see we ask it to create an animated. So you can see we ask it to create a AI prompt box where user can describe a website, and this is exactly what we need. We have some try prompts here. You can see it automatically paste the prompt and start creating it, reading your prompt, choosing a direction, writing a copy, launching, and then we have this website ready too. So it's very awesome website, I would say, and you built this in free without spending money on this. And then if we see how much token we have left, we have still left 60% of our daily tokens. You can see we still have 5.9 million tokens left. We get 10 million token, and you get this 10 million token every day, not just for the one time you register, but you will get it for every day. It will automatically reset to 10 million token. Then we have the check-in bonus. If you check in, you will get 100 free, and if you check in, you will also get 100 free credits. You can see I just claimed 100 free credits from here. Then if you want to change anything in your website, like let's say if you want to change this, you can just tell it by giving it a follow-up prompt. Then we have the commands option. You can see restart agent, and clear the context. Then we have customizable open code. Then we have the deploy website option. Then we have lots of other options like publish website review, and then we can upload the attachment from here. Then we have the whiteboard here. You can see we have the complete whiteboard here. We will just close this whiteboard now, and it just took 4.1 million token to create this entire website. Now you can just open the terminal from here. Then we have complete files of our website here. Let me just show you, these are the files, changes here. Then we have the skills option that I already showed you. Now we have the preview option that I also showed you how the preview looks like. Then we have the publish button and the refresh button. So let's say if you want to publish your website, just click on this publish button, and now you can see This will package the web app from current task and will publish it to MonkeyCode portfolio. It will publicly accessible after publishing. So we will just click on this confirm. So now you can see it automatically send the prompt, use the publish website skill to publish the current app. Now it's currently publishing our website. Then we also have the setting page where we have all the options that I showed you before in the video. Let's say if you want to connect the GitHub, you can do it from here. And we have all the other options like notification. So currently it says this application is about to be published to the MonkeyCode AI user. Showcase with the two limitation described above. Continue publishing. So we have two limitations. Let's see. So we have the data can be only stored in browser if your front end publicly visible after public application is publicly visible user can show, so anyone can access it. So we can just click on this continue publishing and click on this submit button. It's just a demo website, nothing confidential I have added in this website, so it's okay to publish. But if you're publishing your website, you can must check if you are not giving any confidential or private information. So you can just check before. It also gives you a warning too. Now it will be automatically published. You can see it in a minute or two. It will be published to see, and now you can see this automatically detect application name is site AI. So we can just, if you want to change your name, you can just click on this other and change your name, but I'm satisfied, so I will just click on this and it's submitted. Now our website is about to get published. So let's see, the automatic detected application name is the description. Yes, we are satisfied with the description too. So it will ask you a couple of questions like if you want to change the website name or description. Now you can say it says enter the application author's ID, select an option. So we can just select anonymous author. We will just click on the submit button. So if you want to add your name, you can just go to other and just enter your name. Now you can see metadata is confirmed, packaging the site artifact. So we will just take a look how. So this way you can publish your website. Now let me show you how the pricing plans looks like. So I will just scroll to the footer page and here we have the pricing plans. So basic plan is free, which is you can see right here, free forever, where you will get loads of features. You can see like main feature is you will get 10 million token for free and it will be for every day, not for the one time. Then we have the $15 plan where you will get 100 million token per day. Then we have the ultra plan for $60 where you will get 300 tokens per day and lots of other features. You can see it right here, like more third-party models you can access, and we have 10k credits included monthly, and we have the daily quota here, and we have the cloud environment. So we have all the features. I will mention link of this website in the description box below so you can easily check it out. It's also supports self-hosting and allows user to connect their own models. So it's like a great for those who want to connect their own models. And we also have earn free credits option. If you invite one new user, you will get 5,000 credits, and daily check-in is 100 credits, and article submission is 10 to 1 lakhs credits. And then we have the other community events where you can join their community. So you can see then we have the recharge credit discounts here. You can check that out. So that's all for today's video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.